Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of storytelling and exploring how to create a captivating story that will grab your viewers' attention from start to finish. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or simply someone looking to tell better stories, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Opening hook. Have you ever wondered why some stories leave a lasting impact while others fall flat? The secret lies in the ability to captivate your audience right from the beginning. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 essential tips that will help you create a story that will hook your viewers and keep them engaged throughout. So, let's jump right into it. Tip 1. Establish a strong hook. The first step in crafting a captivating story is to establish a strong hook. This is the moment that grabs your viewers' attention and compels them to keep watching. It could be an intriguing question, a shocking statement, or an action-packed scene. The key is to pique their curiosity and make them want to know more. Tip 2. Create compelling characters. Characters are the heart and soul of any story. To captivate your viewers, you need to create compelling characters that they can connect with and root for. Develop characters with depth, flaws, and relatable qualities. Make them feel like real people with genuine emotions, motivations, and conflicts. Tip 3. Build tension and conflict. Tension and conflict are essential elements in captivating storytelling. Without them, your story may lack excitement and fail to hold your viewers' attention. Introduce obstacles, challenges, and dilemmas that keep your characters on their toes. This will create a sense of urgency and make your viewers eager to see how the story unfolds. Tip 4. Use visual and emotional appeals. Engaging your viewers' senses is crucial in captivating storytelling. Use vivid visuals, captivating cinematography, and appealing aesthetics to enhance the visual appeal of your story. Additionally, tap into your audience's emotions by crafting powerful and relatable emotional arcs. When your viewers can emotionally invest in your story, they are more likely to stay engaged. Tip 5. Maintain a compelling pace. Finally, maintaining a compelling pace is vital to keep your viewers hooked. Balance moments of intensity with quieter, reflective moments. Avoid unnecessary filler or long, drawn-out scenes that can bore your audience. Instead, keep the story moving forward with purpose and rhythm, building anticipation and delivering satisfying payoffs. Conclusion, and there you have it. By following these 5 essential tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a story that will capture your viewers' attention and leave them wanting more. Remember, a captivating story starts with a strong hook, compelling characters, tension and conflict, visual and emotional appeals, and a well-paced narrative. So go out there, unleash your creativity, and tell stories that will truly captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Happy storytelling!